come out here. I want it to be fun for them. Yeah, boy.
If we make a mistake, he shows us the right way what to do.
When I'm playing with my brother and dad out here, they teach me how to hit and field ground balls and catch my flies.
The enjoyment that my boys get out of baseball, I think more is the camaraderie amongst the kids and the camaraderie amongst the parents.
It's fun because I'm playing with all my friends.
We have a real good time. We just have fun.
Kids like you try this every day. Get you ahead of the game on Disney Channel.
Keely.
Target is a proud sponsor of Disney Channel, where kids are encouraged to express themselves through music education.
Smokin' Oaken. We're back with Hannah Montana on Disney Channel.
And I didn't think I could do it. And I was so right. Okay, look. It may not be perfect,